Do you want to learn to day trade stocks? Come with me and I'll show you how. I've been day trading since 2001 and training new traders since 2013. And I love day trading because with day trading, you can make a lot of money and have the time to enjoy an amazing lifestyle. I don't have a boss. I don't have to ask for time off or for a raise. I don't need to ask for time to go on vacation. If I want to go on vacation, I just go. There's time and money to eat at nice restaurants, to go to the movies, to go to the beach, to do whatever I want to do. I have the freedom to enjoy life on my own terms with my family. That's the best part. So here's me with my family. My wife is from Venezuela. We've got us eating here at a Brazilian steakhouse, one of those all-you-can-eat places. We always pig out. And then we're at the beach with my dog down here in the lower left. And in the lower right, we're on vacation to Hawaii. And so we've really enjoyed being together and going out and doing fun things together as a family. In this course, I will give you 25 training videos that I personally made about day trading and strategies, and that'll be yours to keep and refer back to. You'll also receive my own trading strategies and technical indicators that work for me. You'll get 6 months of personalized coaching sessions that'll be once a week for 45 minutes to review your trades, ongoing for 6 months. That's the best part. The personalized sessions will be over Skype so that you can see my computer screen and actually see the charts and what I'm looking at. Then you'll get a referral to the day trading firm that I trade with so that you can trade remotely. Now for that, you'll need to have a deposit with them of at least $5,000. Now, this will be the best investment of your life if you're serious about learning to day trade, because you'll never get personalized attention like this. The price is just $4,995, but I do give a discount to recent college graduates, and so it's only $2,995 for them. I only have time to trade 2 new people, so if you're interested, don't wait. Send me an email, tradergregk@gmail.com, and I expect to start the new classes in next month in April 2018. So send me an email right away, and I look forward to working with you. Thanks a lot.